The opposition alliance has been christened. The Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance has taken shape. It's quite a mouthful to say the least, but you can always use the acronym.
मतलब इंडिया.
And that one name has sparked all the troubles. As NDA versus India takes shape for 2024,
India, can you challenge India?
political pundits question, is India just UPA rebranded? As the united opposition's India divides Bharat, we take a look at whether it is a marketing marvel or a massive mishit. Opposition parties met in Bengaluru on July 17th and 18th and decided to name their alliance Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance. The Patna 16 had already become Bengaluru 26. Their name, a series of seemingly random political words strung together to get to the perfect acronym, India. The NDA versus India battle seems almost poetic. However, the new branding has divided political pundits, with some calling it genius, while others are questioning the pertinence of it. There are some who have raised questions on how a political entity can be named after the nation. Some have even cited the law and the Election Commission guidelines for the nomenclature. The Emblems and Names Prevention of Improper Use Act of 1950 prohibits anyone from using India as the name of their alliance or group. However, the simple solution to this problem would be to not get the alliance name registered. The head of BJP Maharashtra Social Media, Legal and Advisory Department, Ashutosh J. Dubey, has registered an objection with the Election Commission of India. He has alleged that the united opposition is misusing the country's name for political gains. It is important to note that the Election Commission also does not demand that political alliances register with them. Given the fluidic nature of these political alliances, registration would likely be a very difficult task as well. What would likely be a little more difficult for the opposition would be getting an office or website registered under the name of India. If the opposition simply plans to use the name and not register it, things would be very different. However, now they have announced that they will have a registered office in New Delhi. A simple mind would suggest why not use one of the 26 party offices likely already present in the national capital. Well, it would create the threat of one party getting more clout within the alliance. However, the opposition can simply add another word to India and likely make it easier for themselves to register it. For example, the India Alliance. With India being called UPA rebranded, PM Modi too gave a new form to the National Democratic Alliance at the meeting in New Delhi on July 18th.
N से न्यू इंडिया के लिए, D से डेवलप्ड नेशन के लिए, A से एस्पिरेशन ऑफ पीपल एंड रीजन के लिए.
The confident Prime Minister went so far as to predict that NDA's vote share in 2024 will cross 50%.
24 में एनडीए का वोट शेयर 50% से भी ऊपर जाएगा.
Although the BJP and its NDA allies have dismissed the United Front, one thing is for certain: the battle for 2024 has gotten much more interesting for election watchers.